Yeah. Hot on the stove, all nice and hot. Beef hits the pan, sizzling spot. Brown that meat, aroma fills the room. Garlic, chili, onion flavors bloom. Bell pepper joints, frying up the scene. White wine splash, keep it fresh and clean. Green heat hits, spice ignites. San Marzano, rich delights. Splash of water, chicken stock drop. Salt pinching, flavors won't stop. Low oven simmer, 5-hour chill. Deep rich taste, time to thrill. Warm tortillas, creamer on top. Earth fried beans, flavor won't stop. Assembled taco, one big bite. Boom, taste explosion tonight.
God damn. Sorry, boss. Shit is fucking delicious. 9 out of 10.